see how I made this fluffy hair butter, then keep on watching.
I missed you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and you're seeing me for the first time, hello, you're welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, leave a comment, let me know you're new. And if you're not a subscriber, you're welcome back to my channel. You're always welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this fluffy aloe vera hair butter. I've loved aloe vera for a very long time. I always incorporate aloe vera into my hair in one way or the other. Either I use the aloe vera raw or I make it into a hair butter or anything. I just love aloe vera. So first, I'm going to start by peeling off the back of my aloe vera to extract the juice. And as you can see, I still struggle quite a little bit with peeling aloe vera, and that's the reason why I'm wearing gloves, because I don't want the gel all over my hands. So I'm going to go ahead and peel off the back and extract the juice and strain the juice out to remove any lumps inside. And yeah, this part is quite self-explanatory, so I'm going to stop talking and allow you guys to watch me as I do this. So now I've extracted the juice. You can see how clear it is. The next thing I'm going to do is to melt down my shea butter. So lately I've been storing my shea butter in this type of container just because I don't want it to melt due to the weather. The weather is very hot. So I divided all of them into small sections and I store them in containers like this. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop it out and melt these on. I'm going to use a double boiling method to melt this down. Now I am pouring hot water into this little bowl and I'm going to melt my shea butter down. And I cannot begin to emphasize the importance of shea butter on the hair and also on the skin as well. I use shea butter and mango butter a lot. I think shea butter is one butter that I use a lot. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and melt the shea butter down. So now that the butter has completely melted, I'm going to pour in my aloe vera juice into it, and then I added like 1 teaspoon of honey just to help with moisture, and then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of my argan oil. Now the final oil I'm going to add to this is my castor oil. I'm using my Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of this oil into the mixture before I put this into the fridge to solidify. So now that I've added everything, I'm going to go ahead and stir this completely to mix everything properly together before I put this into the freezer to solidify properly. Now 20 minutes later, this is what it looks like. the mixture has completely cooled down and it is very hard at this point, so I'm going to leave this for a few minutes to melt a little bit before I start whipping it up. You can go ahead and start whipping it up immediately, but in my own opinion it may end up being hard, so I left mine to cool down for a few minutes before I started mixing it up. And as you can see, this is the consistency I got. So I am loving how fluffy this is looking. I can't wait to apply this on my hair. So I'm going to whip this up completely, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to add my preservative. So whenever we are doing homemade products like this, preservative is a must, and for this particular one I am using the Germal plus preservative. You can use your own preservative that you have at home, but vitamin E is not a preservative. So I'm adding preservative to this, and I'm also going to add an essential oil and also vitamin E. So this is vitamin E right now. And the last thing I'm going to add is my lemon essential oil. And the reason why I'm using lemon scent is because I want to mask any single smell the aloe vera might have left in the hair butter. I don't really like the smell of aloe vera, but with this lemon essential oil everything is going to smell so good. So you can use lavender essential oil or a vanilla fragrance, anything you want to use at this point. So this is the last part of this video, and if you watched to this point and you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, because I know a lot of people will love this particular recipe. And then thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for watching to this point. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Keep you by my side, how to start in a liquefy. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Baby,